Today's May 18th, 2025. This is construction update number 1. Brand new roller coaster coming to Canobie. Hopefully in 2025. Might be up maybe in June, July. Hopefully July. The support is like contained. The brown, nice paint job. I like the paint scheme. But the roller coaster is supposed to be built in front of Dance Hall Theater. So make sure to tune in to the channel every week. We'll have construction updates when they start construction. We'll definitely have updates every week on this brand new roller coaster. I love doing construction updates because it's fun. I love looking at brand new rides coming up. Oh, this is a construction update on a brand new roller coaster at Canobie Park. Here's the brand new roller coaster. You got the tracks right there. The supports. The supports look like untamed. I'm hearing they're gonna build the roller coaster in front of Dance Hall Theater. So expect construction updates all summer long on the channel. So every week I will have construction updates on a brand new spinning coaster. The track looks nice. Looks good. So I will have a construction update on a brand new roller coaster.